A very good evening to all of you, and once again a warm welcome on behalf of Team Pukar. Pukar stands for Partners for Urban Knowledge, Action and Research. With 9 years into existence, Pukar is a research collective which aims to democratize the idea of research. Centered around the city of Mumbai, Pukar focuses on community-based participatory research. This means that research is used as a tool by all sections of the society to debate and ideate issues relating to urbanization, as also for self-development and knowledge production. Pukar provides a forum for cross-disciplinary, multi-sectoral debates related to urbanization and globalization. Pukar's founder, Professor Arjun Appadurai, a world-renowned anthropologist, in his essay Right to Research, states that youth ought to claim their right to research to gain knowledge, as this is essential in the claims for democratic citizenship. India today has the advantage of demographic dividend, wherein there is a huge population bulge in the working age group. Yet our policies and practices fail to include this section of people in the overall growth of the country. In order that we as a country make optimum use of this youthful population, more efforts need to be made in their education, employment and overall development. In this regard, Pukar through its various projects encourages youth to explore their lives and communities and produce new knowledge through the medium of research. Currently, Pukar works on these projects: Mythologies of Mumbai, Dharavi and Girangaon, which seeks to explore the relationship between globalization and socio-economic hierarchies through the lenses of livelihood, habitat and education. This project is supported by Ford Foundation. Our second project, which is under the rubric of Healthy Cities, Wealthy Cities, is a collaboration with Harvard School of Public Health and New York University. It explores the social and physical determinants of urban health in Kuala Bandar, an unregistered slum. This project is supported by Rockefeller Foundation. This year, Pukar, in collaboration with Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Max Planck Institute of Religious and Ethnic Diversity, Germany, has launched a new project. This research will develop cutting-edge theory on new forms of urban segregation and inclusions-exclusions by comparing Mumbai and Johannesburg. And Pukar's flagship project, the Youth Fellowship Program, which sees 30 to 40 youth groups through a year-long process of research, which is based on their life experiences and embedded in their communities across the city. This project has been supported by Sir Ratan Tata Trust since its inception in 2005.